Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I made this very quick and easy prawn stir fried rice. So the ingredients you need for this is mainly just the prawns. I use some leftover rice and then your veggies. If you are wondering how I made the rice, I do have a recipe up on my YouTube channel, so I'll link it down below. So this recipe is really quick and easy to make. I actually did have a lot of veggies left over in the freezer and in the fridge, and the main thing which I did buy was the eggs and the prawns. So anyway, to start off this meal, I added some olive oil to a hot pan, and then I added in 3 eggs and made sure to just cook them on a medium to low heat. The eggs really don't take long to make, they literally cooked within a couple minutes. You can cook the eggs to how you like them, I just like them overdone. Once your eggs are done, simply set them aside. So the next part is just seasoning your prawns. I used some chili flakes, some all-purpose seasoning, dark soy sauce, and also some Thai sweet chili sauce. I really did keep the seasonings really simple because there's so much flavour in the Thai sweet chili sauce. Once your prawns are seasoned, I then just added some butter to a pan, and then I added in the prawns on a high heat. Once the butter is melted, I then just added the prawns into the pan and I cooked them on a high heat. You literally only need to cook them for a minute or 2. So at this point your eggs and your prawns are done, and now you can focus on cooking your veggies. So for the veggies, I simply just added a little bit of olive oil to a pan. Allow it to really heat up and get hot, and then add in your onions. After the onions, I then added in some bell peppers. Once the onions have slightly softened, after a couple minutes, I then also added in the broccoli. After the broccoli's in, I then added in some mushrooms. To be honest, you can add the veggies in any order that you do like. Like for example, if I owned a wok, I would definitely add in everything at once and really cook all the veggies well together. Also, once most of the veggies are in, I then just added a spoon of olive oil. So the main ingredient that brings the whole dish together has to be the Thai sweet chili sauce. I did end up using a good cup and a half of the Thai sweet chili sauce, and I will link the one which I used down below because honestly it's the only one I used. Also, since cooking the veggies, the heat has been on a medium to high. And then the last part of this main veg part of the dish is to just add in sweet corn. I ended up making this rice dish for me and my younger brother, and he insisted I add a sweet corn, but normally I wouldn't really add it. Normally when I do make fried rice dishes for myself, I do keep the veggies really simple. This stir fried rice dish was very different for me. I normally never add this much veg, but it really did work well together. Even the mushrooms was a really nice taste in the dish. And then just for the last part, I added in the date-oiled rice and make sure to mix it well together. So when it does come to this type of dish, it is kind of hard to come up with exact measurements, because you can use as much veg as you want, as much rice as you want. So your leftover rice ratio with the veggies does have to match. But then again, I have had a whole container of rice with a little bit of veg, and it still does work. So once your rice is mixed well, I then added in the eggs that I cooked earlier. So just before I added in the prawns, I then just added some seasonings. I just used some salt and some all-purpose and also some Cajun. Also make sure to have a little taste and see if you need to add anything extra. The final part of the dish is to add in some spring onions. And yeah, this is actually how I make my very quick and easy prawn stir fried rice. So if you do have leftover rice, this recipe will be perfect. And also, if you don't have any Thai sweet chili sauce, you can definitely use a chow mein sauce that you can buy from supermarkets. I'm definitely going to make a fried rice recipe again, probably with chicken, and I will use the supermarket sauces. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm definitely going to be making a lot more quick and easy recipes. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.